If you want to edit a video in Lightroom, this quick guide will show you the simple workflow and the important limits before you start. Lightroom can absolutely help with basic video adjustments, especially color and light, but it is not a full video editor. That means you can improve the look of your clip, but you can't do trimming, transitions, or advanced effects like you would in Premiere Pro or another editing app. So if your goal is to enhance the mood and clean up the colors, Lightroom is a great option. If this video helps, please hit the like button and subscribe for more easy tutorials like this. Now, let's get into it. First, open Lightroom Desktop and import your video. You can usually do this by dragging and dropping the video file directly into Lightroom, or by using the import option if you prefer. Once the video appears in your library, click on the video to select it. Next, open the Edit panel by clicking the sliders icon. This is where Lightroom gives you access to the basic adjustments that work for video just like they do for photos. Start with the light controls. Adjust exposure if the video is too dark or too bright. Increase contrast if you want the image to look a little more punchy, or reduce it if the video feels too harsh. Then, fine-tune highlights and shadows. Pull highlights down to recover bright areas, and raise shadows to bring back detail in darker parts of the image. These simple changes can make a huge difference in how polished your video looks. After that, move into the color section. Depending on your version of Lightroom, you may see color or color grading tools. Use these to shape the mood of the video, warm it up, cool it down, or balance the overall tone. Think of this step as the same kind of color work you would do on a photo, because Lightroom handles video in a similar way. If you want a faster result, you can also apply a preset. Just go to the Presets panel and click the preset you want. Lightroom will instantly apply that look to your video, which is a great shortcut if you already have a style you like. This is especially useful for creators who want a consistent aesthetic across all their content. Once you're happy with the look, it's time to export. Click Share, then choose Export. Lightroom will process the video and save out your edited version with the adjustments you made. Keep in mind, this is for color and light editing only. So if you need actual timeline editing, cutting clips, adding music, or transitions, you'll need a dedicated video editor. A great pro tip is to use Lightroom for color grading and use Adobe Premiere Pro or another editing app for full video production. That gives you the best of both worlds. And that's how to edit a video in Lightroom Desktop the simple way. If you found this helpful, make sure to like the video and subscribe so you don't miss the next tutorial.